If you've been using AirDrop to transfer photos from your iPhone to your Mac, there's a much better way, and it's already built into your Mac. Let me show you. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and tap the bell for more iPhone and Mac tips every week.
AirDrop is great for sending a few photos quickly, but if you need to transfer hundreds or even thousands of photos and videos, it's slow, it's annoying, and it takes forever. There's a better solution. It's called image capture. Just open Spotlight, search image capture, and open it.
Connect your iPhone to your Mac with a cable. You might get a prompt on your iPhone asking if you trust this computer. Tap Trust. You will see your iPhone on the sidebar. Click on it, and within seconds, all your photos and videos load up right here. You can select individual photos or hit Command-A to select everything at once. Then choose where you want to save them on your Mac, your desktop, Photos app, or any folder you want. Hit Download, and that's it. Fast, simple, done. If you didn't know about image capture, now you do. Subscribe for more Mac and iPhone tips, and check the link in the description to follow me everywhere.